Alright, it is colder than a witch's titty outside. So we were in here, got the wood stove going. Got my torque converter from O'Reilly's. Finally, 2 weeks later, they said it was the wrong one. They kept sending it back. It's a look different than the one in the picture. But the one in the picture was a generic torque converter picture. So yeah, that solves that. So we burred these holes out right here. We just burred them out. All 3 of them, so that the holes line up. This is a 5.3 flex plate and a TH350 turbo 350 torque converter. And then here's our little adapter to make sure the center here. So that'll center the torque converter, and these holes into the crank center the flywheel. So these holes really aren't for centering at all. So not really a huge deal as long as you can get bolts through there. That's all that matters. Alright, time to fill up the old converter. We use a royal blue ATF. It's meant for drag racing.
Good morning, or afternoon, or evening, or whatever you're watching this. It's morning for me, and I'm on the way to Jerry's. We're gonna go put the old engine in the mushroom truck. We're gonna make some motor mounts today. The sun's out. Couldn't ask for a better day to do this. And so here we go. Trash button up.
Alright, engine is centered. It is dead nuts, 0 squared and everything. We welded these tabs to the original 351 modified motor mounts, and we moved the whole thing. We basically took the whole thing and moved it forward 2.5 inches and just drilled new holes in the frame. And same on this side. And we're going to, these are welded in, and we're going to weld the other side in now. So let's do it. So we're using the piece of the frame that we cut out to make a transmission cross member. Very excited. Yo. Transmission cross member. We use a piece of frame. See if it fits. I mean, it will fit. Alright, there's the trans cross member. So awesome. It's in drive line's gonna come close to that little brace there, but the rest of it's wide open. I might have to cut that. But alright. There it is, LS swapped 77 Ford. Sits in there like a dream. So awesome. We get an undershot. Oh, everybody loves undershot here.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that turned out good.
Yep. Yeah, that's good.
All right.
We did it the way that you should. Here at Trash Metal Customs, we do the hard shit, so you don't have to.
All right. Trash Metal Customs next. We're gonna fire it up. Hopefully soon. Rock and roll.